Hi everyone, in this video I will going to solve this algebra equation. The equation we have m plus n is equals to 10 and mn is equals to 100. Here we need to find out the value of m and n. So let's get started the solution. In the first step, I will going to name this expression as 1 and this expression as 2. Now I will going to take equation 1. That is m plus n is equals to 10. Now here I'm going to make subject of n. So n is equals to 10 and this I'm going to take to the right hand side so it will turn to negative. Now this I'm going to name this equation as 3. Now we're going to take equation 2, that is m n is equals to 100. Now, in replacement of this n, I will going to plug in the n value from equation 1, that is 10 minus n. M and the value of n, we have 10 minus m is equals to 100. This will turn to 10m and minus m times m, there was m square, is equals to 100. Now, next I will going to take this negative m square and this 10m to the right hand side. So it will turn to m square minus 10m positive 100 is equals to 0. Here we got the quadratic equation. Now we're going to write the a value, that is 1, and the b value we have, that is negative 10, and c value we have, that is 100. Now I'm going to write the formula here to find out the value of m. Minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac over 2a. And now we're going to plug in the b value. Here the b value we have, that is negative 10 plus minus root negative 10 square minus 4, and the a value we have 1 and c we have 100 over 2, and the a value we have 1. Now this will turn to m is equals to positive 10 plus minus, and as I'm going to square negative 10, it will turn to the positive 1 because of this even power. So 100 minus 400 over 2. And this will be equals to 10 plus minus root negative 300 over 2. Now I want to separate this negative sign, so I'm going to express this m is equals to 10 plus minus root 300 times negative 1 over 2. I will going to split this 300 next. M is equals to 10 plus minus root 100 times 3 times negative 1 over 2. Now in the next step, I will going to apply here the radical property, that is n root of a times b can be written as n root of a times n root of b. So this can be written as m is equals to 10 plus minus root of 100 times root of 3 times root of negative 1 over 2. And as you know, the root of negative 1 is equals to iota. So this will turn to m is equals to 10 plus minus 10 root of 3 and iota over 2. Next, I am going to take common factor of 2. M is equals to 2 5 times plus minus 2 5 times root 3 iota over 2. This and this get cancelled. So here we get the 2m values. M1 we have is equals to 5 positive 5 root of 3 iota. M2 we have 5 negative 5 root of 3 iota. Now here I'm going to recall equation 3, that is n is equals to 10 minus m. N is equals to 10. Now we're going to plug in here the m1 value, that is 5 plus 5 root of 3 iota, and this will turn to n is equals to 10 negative 5 minus plus minus 5 root of 3 iota, and here this will be equals to 5 minus 5 root of 3 iota. So this is our first n1 value. Now we're going to plug in the negative value of m2. N is equals to 10 minus m2. So n is equals to 10 minus 5 minus 5 root of 3 iota. N is equals to 10, 5 minus minus plus 5 root of 3 iota. And this will be equals to 5 positive 5 root of 3 iota. So this is our another n value, n2 value we find out here by plugging the m2 value. So here we get the two complex solution. There is no real root for both the answers. So this is the final answer. Thank you so very much for watching my video. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel.